Integers on number line. How to draw the number line first, following the steps, and then locating the numbers on the integer line. Then as a teacher, you will demonstrate. You will open this Mathagon. Okay. So on this number line, we are going to showcase to the children. These are logged over here. So in case you want to draw a new number line, you can go into the this one number line and you can choose a new also. And when you stretch it, you will get a new number line. And we need the negative numbers as well. And then they are given, oh, you have to locate like minus 12. So where is minus 12? So go get to extend. You will tell to the child that this 0 is the center. So on the left hand side, we have negative numbers. On the right side, we have positive numbers. So where is minus 12? So you can choose the drawing tool over here and you can mark it over here minus 12. Okay, like this you will locate one by one. And similarly, when you have to tell the opposite of the integer, so go to the opposite of the 0, the positive, which will be the opposite integer. This is 12, like this. Okay, and this is an eraser which can be used to erase it. And if you have to use somewhere this move tool, you can tell, like, if you have to go from 0 4 steps ahead, so you can use this where you will go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 0 towards the opposite side, you will be at minus 4, like this. After locating, okay, so you have to use 5 units to the left of minus 3, 3 units to the right of 9. So like this, you have to locate over here on the number line, going towards the right and going towards the left. So 5 units to the right of minus 10. So see, you have to over here, where you have to go from minus 10 towards the right, means over the other side. So one by step, you can copy from here and put it over here. So like this, you can use this to explain the integers on the number line. And then opposite integers I've already informed you prior. And then discuss also practice in comparing minus 5 to minus 9. So when two numbers are on a number line, the numbers to the left is always smaller. So going towards left, this is the left side, is the right side. Going towards this side is always the right side is the bigger and left side is the smaller. So you can tell over here, annotating with the child. So if we are moving towards left, the number becomes smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, going towards right, the number becomes bigger or greater. Like this, you have to go forward. So this is how we are going to define integers on the number line, entire second and third chapter.